guys! So we're traveling up to northern Michigan for a wedding and a family vacation. So in today's video, I want to share with you some really inexpensive packing hacks. These are the ones that we actually use every single time that keep us more organized. So I hope you guys enjoy. First up are the $1 quick hacks you have to try. My number one essential is this laundry pop-up tote. This came from the Dollar Tree. It folds down so small and is a must anytime you travel for dirty clothes. I also love putting my loose earrings on buttons. It helps keep them organized so I don't lose them. And I just stuck it in this $1 sewing kit. Nothing's tangled. Make sure you pick up one of the pill cases, and then you can have a little bit of each type of medicine you want to bring with you to stick in your purse. And speaking of purses, get some Dollar Tree Sunglass Cases. The quality is really good, and this is a great way to subdivide your purse. I actually got this tip from a viewer. I have my chargers and my makeup, so everything stays nice and organized on the flight. And of course, using dollar store hair nets to keep your luggage clean from your shoes. And I like to put 2 of these on. Next is what to pack and staying organized. Every time you go to pack, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. I absolutely love our travel checklist. I can pack so quickly because I don't have to think. And this is a totally free download from my blog. I attached it using a page protector underneath of the bathroom sink. I have one for adults, one for kids, and even a blank copy if you want to fill it out. I'll put the link down below. This is such an easy way to pack fast and stay organized. And now how I fit 4 people into one suitcase. I love packing cubes. I'm gonna link these below. These are just Amazon basics. I got these on a super deal over Black Friday. But I'm gonna roll my clothes military style to fit as many as I can. And this one cube is going to last me for 5 days because I'm mixing and matching outfits. I have fewer options, but each has more possibilities. I've been living in tank tops lately, and I ordered some new pieces from thredUP, which is the largest secondhand clothing site online. These Gap shorts retail for $50. I got them for $10. And I'm gonna mix and match these simple pieces with my new Lucky Brand jeans from thredUP. These retail for over $100 and I paid $13 for them. I'm gonna link their site down below, and I found my dress for the wedding there, just $28. So here is the brand new dress I got from J. Crew for the wedding. So you guys will have to leave me a comment down below. What jewelry do you think I should wear with this dress and earrings? Should I go simple, or you guys tell me what you think? Organizing your suitcase like a drawer system is going to help you stay organized. I have my clothes in this packing cube, followed by Charlie's 5 days of clothes. Then I have our wedding outfits. I have pajamas for the kids, bathing suits, undergarments for Charlie, and undergarments for myself. Now when it comes to the kids' stuff, here's how I pack them really efficiently. I use labeled Ziploc bags. The entire outfit is in there, from shirts, sweaters, down to socks and underwear, all in one bag. And I actually packed a ton of Ralph Lauren stuff for them this time. Look how cute Carson looks. You guys, every single thing I was getting was under $10, most of it just $5. So even when it came to the wedding, I could dress Owen for just $10. So now I'm gonna stick the toiletries all in the side, as well as my makeup bags and the shoes in the shower caps. In the side of my luggage is where I stick all of the Ziploc bags for the kids' clothes. They're super easy to access and see this way. And we're all set, 4 people in one suitcase. If you like this video and organizing videos, definitely leave it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link down below to thredUP's website along with a discount code, so be sure to check it out. I'll also put a link down below to my free travel checklist, and I will catch you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
Can you say organize with Owen?
Organize Owen.
What face is that? Is that your model face?